Say hi. Can you show us touchdown? Can you show us touchdown? Touchdown. Can you say up, please? Up, please. Can you say touchdown? Touchdown. Can you say eat? Eat. Can you say more, please? More, please. Can you say book? Book. Where's the light? Light. Can you say bath? Are you getting ready to go take a bath? Bath. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your ear? Where's your hair? Where's your belly? Where's your belly? That's right. Yeah. Can you blow kisses? Mwah. Mwah. Can you clap your hands? Clap, clap, clap. Yeah. Can you say bye?